What's up, guys? Cutback right here. Are you still spending hours of your time removing silent parts of your video? After watching this video, you will be able to remove silence with just a couple of clicks. From the Remove Silence menu, pick a range option to either remove silence in your entire video or specific parts. Then, you can simply remove the silence or review it first by using the Split Track option to split silence to a separate track. There are presets for different lengths of silence you want to keep, which makes it a lot easier to edit for different types of videos. You can also set the length of silence manually. Once you're ready, just click the Remove Silence button. Cutback handles all kinds of videos, even those with captions, effects, multi-tracks, or longer running time, and it completes the task in just a few seconds. As you can see, Cutback found 316 cuts, removing 76 seconds of silence in this video. Cutback uses AI to detect human speech with high accuracy. It also recognizes parts where speech trails off at the end of sentences. And the result is smooth and natural. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!